Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a checkbox in your Google Sheets file. So here is my to-do list file, and then here in this column, I want to add some checkbox into it to check my to-do list. So what you need to do is highlight the cells that you want to add the checkbox, and then you can go to the insert menu in the top and then click on the checkbox in the drop down menu, and then here you'll see a checkbox now appear on the cell that I've already highlighted, and then you can just click on this to check the task that has been done, for example. Okay, so that's so easy. That is, for me, that is how you can make a checkbox in your Google Sheets file. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.